Welcome to this detailed comparison of Folk CRM and Attio. Both platforms are designed to manage your customer relationships, but they have their unique features and benefits. This comparison will help you make an informed decision about which CRM is best for your business. Folk CRM provides a plethora of features like contact management, task tracking, and collaboration tools. It also offers a unique feature, Folk tags for easy sorting and categorizing. Attio, on the other hand, emphasizes its pipeline management, data visualization, and custom fields. It also stands out with its relationship tracking feature, which allows you to see how your contacts are connected. When it comes to pricing, Folk CRM offers a free plan, which is a great option for small teams or startups. Their paid plans start at $9 per user per month. Adio's pricing begins at $19 per user per month, with no free plan available. However, they do offer a 14-day free trial for you to test out their platform. User experience is crucial for any CRM. Folk CRM has a clean and intuitive interface, making it easy to navigate. It also provides a mobile app for on-the-go access. Adio's interface is also user-friendly, and it offers a unique Kanban view for pipeline management. However, it lacks a mobile app, which could be a downside for some users. Folk CRM integrates with popular tools like Google Suite, Slack, and Trello. Attio, on the other hand, provides powerful API integrations, allowing you to connect it with any software you're already using. This makes Attio a more flexible option when it comes to integrations. Both Folk CRM and Attio offer high performance. Folk CRM is known for its fast load times and smooth operation, while Attio is praised for its real-time updates and quick data processing. However, users have reported occasional slowdowns with Attio during peak usage times. Security is a priority for both platforms. Folk CRM uses SSL encryption and regular backups to keep your data safe. Attio also uses SSL encryption, and it offers two-factor authentication for added security. Both platforms are GDPR compliant, ensuring your data is handled responsibly. Both Folk CRM and Attio provide excellent customer support. Folk CRM offers email and chat support, while Attio provides email support and a comprehensive knowledge base. However, neither platform offers phone support, which might be a consideration for some users. Considering all aspects, the winner is Folk CRM. The reasons are it offers a free plan, which is great for small businesses. It has a user-friendly mobile app, and its unique Folk tags feature for easy sorting and categorizing. However, if integrations and relationship tracking are more important for your business, Attio could be the better choice. Thank you for watching this comparison of Folk CRM and Attio. We hope it has been helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more comparisons like this one. Your support helps us continue providing this content.